Hello students, Vande Matram. So today we are going to solve some examples of degree of comparison. So first, as I told you, what's the degree? Okay, so it is the three different types of level where we compare some person, something, or some places to each other. Okay, in three level. First is positive, second is comparative, and third is superlative. When we are going to talk about positive and comparative degree, in this degree, in these degrees, we are comparing some one person to another person, and in superlative degree, we compare any person with community, okay, with the group, okay. So that is degree of comparison. So I have given you homework to solve examples of a positive degree and comparative degrees. So that examples I also solve here, and I am going to tell you these examples with the explanation. So first example is Paresh is as wise as Harish. Okay. So first recognize the sentence. It has which degree? Paresh is as wise as Harish. So this is positive degree. And Paresh is comparing with Harish. So here are only two persons. So here we use, when we are going to change degree in comparative degree, here we use comparative degree. And remember, when we are going to change a positive degree into comparative degree, okay, if a positive degree sentence is affirmative, then when we going to change it into comparative degree, so comparative degree is in negative sentence, like this: Paris is as wise as Harish. So it changes: Harish is not wiser than Paris. So meaning could not be changed here. Now next sentence: an apple is as sweet as an orange. Okay. Okay, now we are going to change this. So first we take an orange, and orange is not sweeter than an apple. Okay. When we change positive degree sentence into comparative degree, and at the time positive degree sentence is affirmative, and when we change into comparative degree, so at that time comparative degree sentence is negative. Okay, you can see the both examples, first and second. Okay, here we use only positive degree sentence and comparative degree sentence, because here we compare any person to another person. Here we not comparing any community, any group, so we can't use here superlative degree. Okay, now third example: Manish is as happy as Mahesh. Now we going to change this positive degree sentence into comparative degree. Mahesh is not happier than Manish. Now fourth example: I am as clever as your brother. Okay, so now we change it into comparative degree. Your brother is not cleverer than I. Okay, here you can't change pronoun. Okay, now remember you have to add er with adjective in comparative degree, like wise as changes into wiser than, as sweet as changes into sweeter than, happy as happy as changes into happier than, as clever as changes into cleverer than. And now, fifth example, a lion is as strong as a tiger. Okay, now we change it into comparative degree. You can see the sentence of positive degree is affirmative, and now we are going to change into comparative degree, so it become negative. A tiger is not stronger than lion. Now this is sixth example, and this is little different than above fifth. Pankaj is duller than Prakash. Now this is the comparative degree sentence. Okay, and it is in affirmative sentence. Now we change it into positive degree. We can't change it in superlative degree because Pankaj is comparing with Prakash, not with boys and not with the boys class of the boys of the class. Okay, so now we are going to change it into comparative degree. Prakash is not so dull as Pankaj. Okay, remember one thing, when you change comparative degree into positive degree and comparative degree sentence is affirmative, then positive degree sentence become negative. Okay, and when positive degree sentence is negative, you have to use so as with adjective, not as. Okay, as is used in affirmative sentence, but when we use positive degrees negative sentence, here you use so as with adjective. Now seventh example, Ahmedabad is hotter than Surendranagar. So Surendranagar is not so hot as Ahmedabad. So here duller changes into not so dull as, hotter changes into not so hot as, and sentence number 8, Limbadi is bigger than Ranpur. Okay, this is also sentence of a positive degree, and when we going to change into positive degree, so this become negative. Ranpur is not so big as Limbadi. Here is also positive degree in negative sentence. We also use so as with adjective big. Now sentence number 9. She is happier than I. I am not so happy as she. Okay. Remember students, you can't change the meaning. You have to change degrees, but you can't change the meaning. Okay. Electricity is not so cheap as coal. Okay, now this sentence is negative. Electricity is not so cheap as coal. And you know very well, if positive degree sentence is negative, comparative degree become affirmative. Like coal is cheaper than electricity.